Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very crazy day on this one. Mainly that opening 30 minutes, which was, the big gap up, price came up, pulled back down, and then got crazy in the sense of it just chopped back and forth. And usually Tesla just makes nice methodical movements, but it really just turned into a big chop fest, which did, now reveal a couple of key levels here. And the main level, and this is not some sort of like great discovery on my part, but right around this 418 mark has really proved to be a good solid area of support. But you can see several times on the day the price was down around that 418 mark, and every single time the price, generally speaking, held very nicely above it. But that does lead to the more than valid question moving forward and a more than valid thought. So, nothing's guaranteed, but the thought being, okay, well, if the price goes sideways and then goes down and breaks through that level, that break could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So that is definitely an area that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, like I said, myself included, at that 418 mark. So watch that very closely. If 418 is broken, the next key overarching level of support, then down right around the 400 and 1050 mark, give or take a little bit from that angle of things. As far as areas of resistance, the level that I'm very curious about is more so this little trend line right here. Again, same logic, nothing's guaranteed, but a more than valid and more than rational thought to be having that, if the price works its way up to that area and breaks up through there, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside, buying pressure, and, potentially get, depending on how high of a volume break it is, bring it up to those highs up around the 435 mark. But all in all, those are going to be the main technical levels that I'm watching moving forward, and I think there's going to be a lot of other traders out there watching them too. But let's see how the price continues to behave relative to these key areas. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.